In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payoneer to Amazon KDP in this 25 guide. To get started, open Amazon.com in your browser, but before you make any changes inside KDP, make sure you already have a Payoneer account set up. If you don't have one yet, go to Payoneer and create your account first. During that process, you'll need to complete identity verification and wait for the account to be approved. This part is important because you'll need an active and fully verified account before you can use it to receive royalty payments from Amazon KDP. Once your Payoneer account is ready, log in and go to your receiving account section. Here, you want to find your US dollar receiving account details. Specifically, look for the bank name, the ACH routing number, and the account number. Keep these details available because you'll need to enter them exactly as shown when setting up your payment method in KDP. Next, open your Amazon KDP dashboard and sign in to your account. After you're inside KDP, go to the top right corner of the screen, click your profile name, and choose Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the area where you manage your publishing and payment settings. From there, scroll down until you see the Getting Paid section. In that section, click Manage or Add Bank Account, depending on what appears on your screen. Amazon may show slightly different wording depending on your account status or marketplace setup, but the goal is the same. You want to open the bank payment settings. Now choose the marketplace where you want to receive royalties. For example, if you want US dollar payments, select the Amazon.com marketplace. This step matters because payment details can be assigned per marketplace. After that, enter your Payoneer bank details. Fill in the account holder name, bank name, routing number, and account number exactly as provided in your Payoneer receiving account. Accuracy here is very important. Even a small mismatch can cause delays or payment issues, so take a moment to review everything carefully before moving on. Once you've double-checked the information, click Save to update your payment preferences. After saving, Amazon may need time to review and validate the banking details. Verification can take different amounts of time depending on your region and the marketplace involved, so don't worry if it doesn't update instantly. Finally, go back to the Getting Paid section and confirm that your Payoneer account appears as the active payment method. Once your books start generating royalties and you meet the payment threshold, Amazon will send your KDP earnings directly to your Payoneer receiving account.